Hello! So today we'll be showing you guys how to tie a tie in just 3 steps. And we will also be giving away a high-end tie at the end of the video. Stay tuned! This popular method is called the 4-in-hand knot. For the first step, the wider side will be longer than the narrow side of the tie. The longer side will go over the shorter side and go around twice, ending on top. Step 2. Take the wide end of the tie and push it through the loop created by your neck. Step 3. You will see a knot start to form, which is where you will push the wide end into the knot and there you have it, a perfect tie knot. Now that you know how to tie a tie knot, here's a chance for you to win yourself a free one. First, make sure you're subscribed and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you would like to see next. And also share this video to who you think may need it. Thanks for watching.